Semua orang ikut play, ya Minister Berkurang, melakukan tingkat bagi, mereka segi, kalau segi ke bakal, macam orang berapa macam ni, dan kedua orang yang kini segi mana usnya, kalau kami jalan ya for state, kajian play kini kerpang syah government of Meghalaya, kalau itu kerpang yang kini segi ke South Trip macam orang berapa, ke segi macam ni orang berapa.
Por badak tang jing sudah kila lindi lakhang lut har kisha yani gitar ngik sat kaman kadyang lau khao banyo pen biang kila niwat keleng song dong la shasar ni nong gendong.
When they stand up and say something, it will be necessary for every citizen of the state to hear them out and to listen to them carefully, because they are the primary economic units, not just in our state but in the whole country. If a farmer fails, whole economy fails. And farmer deserves far more respect than what he is getting, not just in our state but also in the whole country. So this collectivization and strengthening the cause of the farmers is far more important activity than any other in the social transformation of our country and the state. And I believe that the Farmers Commission is going to spend all its time in this process of collectivization and strengthening of the farmers' interests. Honorable Minister is here. Sir, I have to tell you this, that I think the time has come for your department to come up with climate-specific, climate change-specific cropping patterns, irrigation systems, temperature resilient crops. There's a lot of activity that has to be done. And I think Agriculture Department has to convene a big meeting today, as soon as we can, so that in the next 5 years the farmers are not subject to any further distress. Because what will happen is the temperature is going to change. The crop that we are all used to grow will not give us the same yield anymore. So once the temperature changes, another crop will have to grow there, and we don't know which that crop is. Now that can be one problem. Then the rainfall patterns will undergo a great change. So where we expect rain, it doesn't come, and when we don't want rain, it comes, and then it destroys. That also happens. So all these are going to create huge distress in the farming community another 5 years from now. Again, you take my word on that. This is more like a prophecy, which is actually scientific fact. It's going to happen. It is going to happen. In the next 1 decade, we will face huge stress because of climate change, and mountains are far more sensitive to climate change than the plains. Plains can handle, mountains cannot handle. So we have to be extremely prepared for that and start doing that work from now onwards.
Ban iyang to mentan representation ban 95% kung ka state jongi ibobon kita kinong ram ka pliang ja jong ka state ka jongi kadai bikidon kinong ram lada mdai mo phi bidan mo phi kum ne kum kinong ram ru ngatrai ginom la ban belong ya kani ka farmers day kum ne ten rai kadai ka jingdon rekat lang ka jong phi ban nganget scam bagani ka program kan dai ru kawai na gajing I'm in same yang kum kinong rap hapok state kapiit kejong ni ngasukwa ban kran khandia kawai dai bat ki scheme Kiba kum ka department kajong ni persyang ban le syakinong rap Kiba ngikwa ban ya thu yaki Handai tanggawai ngakwa banong ipi. But ngasai request lu yaki officer. Baswa bangin ai jengerap kinong rap. Ngidon kam shwa ban pensung tu lani ban ai training ki awareness program ki pabia. Nang ba kan nomlong le anoi. Kapor kala ngamdai ban keren politik sendiri hendiat kum kinong syakri paipa ngap ban keren hendiat ngasih geli ni parlok nong rap ngom menjua Pisa iyo ana bandrung ban mi mdaya sekretariat ngakali tang apa directorate office jongga agriculture kiong ngisa iyo tamba mdalong ya kum balong menta ki ar laisnem tip ngam tip kedai na kedai sahab kata ngatrai fil keren dia kata ngang ong baka sekretariat jong kinong rap kedai ke directorate office jongi hantai apa fa haklif koloni bat apa kinong rap ki jongi kiba don pat ki wei district ki don kamban le apa office jongi dio jong dia jonggu DHO banyak kendo banyak keren nak benda kumno bangi jingdon kam jungi menang tip susu ya kamera kamnya farmer they are the backbone of our state of our country ngisu bat kani ngani thu ipi kadai gawai ka bang isi ya keren bagi nong rap ki digi bodlom jogari bat ka jai penrio tambah ya kata ka jing keren ngani thu ipi kadai tang khapor election himanjor na manjor ya kata ta amfi da himanjor ta hoj si dai nam dai na taman dalam ada election pa lajang it is true ngana susi ngani thu ipi ngaswa ban plan ni ngani thu ipi banga ngada yu nong rap nga iya ji nong rap naru dang red ngani thu ipi ngasai rap sedini ngarap yu ngarap jur ngarap apor so rehadam ngase rehadam banyak pamai bat ngani thu ipi jing sisa hakapor bangi form ya ke government MDA ya ke kamrap ya ke agriculture department untuk bakwa mano-mano ngapan sim mengang dap situ kat balongkat baca nanti kadai ke department ke bahe ke tambah bangi inong rep wangan persya ban le ba ban terima ngaso ban ai kublai ya ki officer ki bay trai ringkat farmer commission ke batrai ringkat ni tu ifi kamdai ke besuk kani ke department kani ke bahe ba kia ba handai aingo you play try kenra bodan ringkat bangi persya labor ban le ya ke bahatam ban ai ke jing trai ke basai ke bahut syaki nong rep ke jongi.
Save the best for last. This is the best present. This is the best gift, I think. I would like to announce. Actually, I don't want to announce my speech because this is very special gift to our Padmashri, both of them, and at the same time also to inspire our farmers community. From the government point of view, under the leadership of our Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, and myself, we would like to announce to be given each of them Kong Trinity and Ba Narendra Maran. Each of you will be given one land each from the government for bringing the name and fame of our beloved state. And I hope this award from the state government, it will be inspire our farmers of the state to come forward. It will be a competition among us years to come. With these few words, thank you very much.